So yeah, I got the wireless camera from Poyasilon. In this video, I'm going to go through everything that you receive with your order, how I'm going to install it on my house so you have an idea how that works, and then also a quick demo of the app so you can see the video quality at day and night. So hopefully all that will help you out and answer any questions that you do have with this product. But first, let's get into what you all receive. So you get the camera itself, you get the mount that you're going to put on your wall outside, the tools to do that, and then you also get a charging cord. So if you do want to charge it inside first, it's just like your standard phone charger. So you basically just need a block to plug it into your wall. And then you're also going to get that solar panel and the mount for that. So that's going to be everything that you receive. I'm going to go outside now and get this thing installed and kind of show you how that process works. So here's what it looks like when you get that mount attached. It's just 4 screws, so very easy. Just drill in your holes and screw it in, and you're good to go. And now to get the camera on there, it literally slides on there. So line up the edges of it, and you're good to go. So now we can connect it to the solar panel, and we'll get this thing running. Okay, so here's what it looks like fully installed. Just looking over, there's my front door. Looking at that. Cord goes over here, and I did have to put some clamps on my wall, but you wouldn't have to do that. I just needed to run the solar panel to a certain spot, but that's what it looks like fully installed. And here's what the app looks like. So every time a motion is recorded, the camera turns on and saves it for you. And even the free version saves up to 7 days, so you can get quite a bit. And then once you do watch it, you can download it as well if you want to save the video for longer than that. But that's what it looks like during the day. Here's me at night, which I think it picks up pretty well when it's completely dark. So overall, it's a pretty cool app that you can have recording at all times. And a really cool part about this camera and other ones that I've had, they don't do this, is once you get on the live version of it, which you just click on it, you can actually control the camera. You can move it up, down, side to side, turn the lights on, yell through it. So I think that's a pretty cool feature to it. But overall, it's a super affordable way to just add a little more security to your house. So I give this thing 2 thumbs up.